So I had some snow scenes from along the canal. Now I'm along the river on River Road in Lower Makefield Township. Guess I'll head up maybe to the boat access area, check that out. Pretty day. And River Road is closed at Fenwood. Looks like a tree down across the highway here. Well, since I had to turn around, here's a shot from Ferry Road of the canal. That's going back towards Morrisville. And then this is up towards Lower Makefield. It's nice, the snow sticking to the trees. So here's Main Street in Yardley and some Blake Shelton. People out shoveling. So here's going by Wawa now, coming up to the light at Afton. I'll see if I can get a shot of Lake Afton. So here's Lake Afton from St. Andrews, down where the stream feeds into the lake. Spent a lot of time ice skating on this lake growing up. And there's Starbucks down there. Used to be a drugstore. And the grist mill back there. So that's Lake Afton. This Kramer's Bakery here, I remember they had some great cream donuts. I haven't been in there a while, especially since I stopped eating carbs and sugar. Here's the little bridge that goes over Afton, and this is the Delaware Canal here in Yardley, and it's going up to where I used to live. I think that goes up behind Megan's house. Hi, Megan. And we're coming down to the river, Yardley Inn. And the memorial where the Yardley Bridge used to be. And now I'm heading up north, up to the boat access area. Looks like somebody out here plowing on a tractor. I used to have something like that growing up. So here is the Yardley boat access area. And there's somebody down here. A little bumpy, that's for sure. But pretty nice. There's Scottish Falls Bridge up there. So there's the Yardley boat ramp. So here's where I grew up, off of River Road, Robinson Place. This little house all the way back, straight back here. Looks like it's got a handicap ramp up on the side now. This house is really, looks like they got a screened-in porch on the back too. This house is really deceiving. It looks incredibly small on the outside, but it was actually a pretty big house. But yeah, they took down the willow tree. It was in the front yard. But when I moved from Morrisville, this is where we moved. I guess I started the 6th grade up here in Quarry Hill. So this is River Road at Black Rock Road from the other way. Tree's still down on some wires there. Looks like it's putting a little tension on the pole. So I'll shoot up Black Rock Road. Looks real pretty through here. Yeah, you can see a lot of the snow. It's sticking on the branches, really weighing them down. I guess that's what happened. So I did the other crossings. I might as well give you this one too. This is Black Rock Road. Got a little hiker going down there. That's going back towards Morrisville. And looks like another photographer taking some shots of the canal. So that's Black Rock. And you know, a tour wouldn't be complete without some donuts. Woohoo!